ये है हमारा vowel U. All right. So what sound does this vowel makes? What sound does this vowel say? That is the name of this vowel. Yes. So the sound that this vowel makes is What sound? And says, very good children, you have learned your words from all the rest of the vowels which are my friend. And today I am here.
Look.
Yeah, very good, Christopher. You have done such a nice work.
I'm
Okay.
not written, ma'am.
You all are talking to you. You are showing your work to this vowel. Nice.
मैम जो वैसे होने वाला था ना और मैंने बोलता ना कि मम्मी से खा लेना वो मैंने लेके आई लेके
अच्छा वेरी गुड बेटा शाबाश सो okay बच्चे fine so says that today you have to learn words from me so but I am all alone today here. So who is going to come with me आज कौन आएगा मेरे पास?
You. I'm going to play with you. You? Siddharth, I'm going to play with you. I am too. I play.
Very good. Okay. All right. So is Christopher coming or Prithvi is coming? Who is going to come to me today? Okay, so on the other side, there was a consonant standing. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me draw and you will tell me the sound. Hanji bache. Yes, Prithvi. Yes, Meena.
I'll tell you a letter from N.
And this is consonant.
T.
So T says, all the fun you are having alone. I am here today and I will be with you. Mr. Will you play with me?
Yes.
So T is asking, will you play with me?
Will you play with me?
Yes. So says, all right. Today I'm going to play with you. So and T.
I like.
Yes. They both started playing together, and their sound became What sound will they make together? And T. And T. And at. Very good. At. Sound got fixed. And the sound. Very good, Siddharth. At. Okay, now we know that this is one sound. What sound is it? This is the sound at. So now we all are going to listen to one more story where we will see more at words. Okay, we will join the sound of at with other letters and we will make more words. But you all have to keep telling me what words are in the story. Yes,
story, ma'am.
Yes, you can write the story. If you want to draw, you can draw the story. Okay, you can draw it along.
Draw the story. Miss Raman, can we watch a story?
Yeah, after this, I'll play a story also for you. Okay. All right, Christopher, let's quickly see who all are there in the story. So in the story today, we have two friends. Okay.
One girl.
Okay, one is a boy. Yes, Kivansh.
I got a washroom.
Yes, bache, come back quickly, okay? So one is a girl and
Ma'am,
yes, Miha.
I want to go to the washroom.
Miha, what happened? Then you will miss the story. Come back quickly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You always go to the washroom before the class so that you don't miss anything. So this is the first girl and there is another small girl with her and they both are sisters. They both are sisters. Do you know their names? Do you know their names? Okay, let me write down their names. Will you tell me what names is ma'am writing? Okay, so the elder sister's name is, let me write her name. Her name is and what is her name? Pat. Pat. Okay. And the younger sister's name is what is the younger sister's name? Peg. Yeah, very good. Okay. So Pat and Peg are are sisters. Okay. They both are sisters. Okay. So today it's Sunday. What is the day today for them? Sunday. And on Sunday, every child enjoy, all the children enjoy, and they go and they play outside and inside also, in the home also they play. So they have a small garden outside.
Miss Raman, also on Sunday, also the kids go to school on Sunday.
Oh yeah, you go to school on Sunday. I know that. Okay.
I'm not going to school.
Yeah, we don't go to the school on Sunday, na? So on a Sunday, they are having some good time outside.
On time से तो जाने वाला है क्योंकि शमा नाम मेरी क्लास की टीचर भी है शमा नाम भी.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, so yeah, so they are in the garden and they are here. They are enjoying cool breeze and they have a ball and they are playing with the ball. They are kicking the ball, throwing the ball.
Nice and nice.
Nice. Okay. So now what happened? Far away, they saw a small house. Let me draw that. Far away over here, they saw a small house. Okay. What do we call these kind of small homes when you see them, which are not very big and they're made up of wood and hay and they are not properly made out of wood. Yeah, what do we call such?
मैं को कुछ कह लूं?
हाँ जी, बताओ. Very good, very good. Prithvi says hut. Okay, let me write it and you all will see how do we write and how do we read. Okay, so hut. Only with the sounds. Okay, and then at. And at. Hut. Okay, so they saw a hut. What is this written? What did I write here? Where you are writing me, huh? Hut. Okay, now Pat and Peg. They saw a hut far away. Okay, so they decided that we are going to go to that hut and we will see that who lives in that hut. Hut. All right. But Peg says it's so hot. It's super hot. But what should we do? But it's so hot. How will we go there?
Water.
But which is the word that she's using? She says, but it is so hot. So I'm going to write down a word here. Read and tell me what am I writing over here in this red color, and in this blue color. Which word is this? Yes. Yes, Christopher, Kivansh, Siddharth. Very good, Mona. Very good. Very nice. So you will say ba and very good, Kivansh, Siddharth. But. Okay, she says, but it is so hot. How can we go? It's so hot today. I can't walk so long and I can't go there. So Pat says, don't worry. I will get one umbrella and we'll use that umbrella and then we will go. So they got, yeah, so they got one umbrella, a big umbrella like this, okay, which covered both of their heads. And they were walking with the umbrella and they were slowly walking down the hill. All right. They went there and there and here and they reached here. It was so hot that they were sweating. They were sweating. Look here, Miha, bache, pay attention, Babu. Okay, it's very hot and they've started sweating. So they, yes, Siddharth. Yeah.
मुझे सिखाई नहीं देगी वहाँ पर क्या लिखा है
अच्छा
हाउस से
अच्छा मैं वहां नहीं लिखूंगी मैं यहाँ लिखूंगी ठीक है ओके ऑलराइट
वो जो
अच्छा ओके लेट मी राइट हियर आई रोट दिस this is what I wrote okay hut okay so then they reached to the hut and they pressed the bell ting tong
Ding dong,
tong ting tong
and anyone is home.
Yeah, is anybody home? So a small tiny animal came out. Let me draw that animal. You tell me which animal is ma'am drawing. Okay. हाँ मैं बनाती हूँ. Whose house was that? That was the house of a
bear.
Of
dog.
Already started imagining. Okay, the house of a
Fox.
Who's that?
Fox.
Is it a fox? Okay, I think it looks like a fox. Or is it looking like a
cat?
Cat. Cat. Oh, so that house was of a cat. Now, can you all help me? How should I write cat? What should I write first? And then what should I write next? At. Two sounds. Always say two sounds. K and at. Okay. So cat says, welcome, Pat and Peg. So you've come to my house for the first time. So I'm really very, very happy. So let me ask you to come into my house. Sit down. So Pat and Peg says, so nice of you. So they both went inside Cat's hut. So Cat says, what will you like to have? So it was so hot. So Cat says, you both are sweating, no? So let me give you this. I'm going to draw something, huh? Tell me what? Yeah, Cat had given them something. What is it? Ice cream. Yes, Cat had given them ice cream. But as Peg took a bite from the ice cream, from here, she ate and she took a bite. She says, I don't like this ice cream. Then Pat says, what happened? Why? The ice cream is so nice, so tasty. She says, because I don't like the ice creams which have, what is this?
What is that?
What is that? Which has the?
Nut.
Very good, I got the word. Which have nuts. So let me write down and you will read and tell me, okay?
Nuts.
Yes. I'll write and then I'll write at. What is this? What word is this? Nut. Yeah. So Peg says, I don't want to eat this ice cream. It has so many nuts. Nut. So cat says, okay, don't worry. I have another one. I'll give you without the nuts. So cat gave her the other ice cream, which she ate and she enjoyed eating them. Okay. So now they say, okay, thank you, cat. So kind of you. So now shall we go back home? So cat says, okay, fine. You can go back home now. And they went back home. Okay. And when they were walking back to their house, let me erase this ice cream.
Big.
Yeah. So what happened then? The umbrella which they were holding, it had something very sharp coming out.
और
the stick.
मैम
Yeah.
वो है ना उनके ना यहाँ पर
अच्छा, ये मैंने क्या बनाया? What is this? I had made a finger, na? Okay, like this. So when the peg's hand was, she was holding the umbrella, okay? And the umbrella was very sharp. There was something sharp coming out from the umbrella. And Peg got a, what is she got from the umbrella? A cut from her. Yeah, she got a cut on her finger. So how do I write cut? Cut. Very good. She got a cut on her finger and she says, Pat, my finger is hurt. I have got a cut. So Pat says, don't worry. She had put bandage over the finger. They were home. They were back home. So she had put a bandage over the finger. And she said, you are a brave girl, Peg. You don't cry. You are a brave girl. You will be fine soon. And this started. Yes, this started. They are home. Okay. So then they started playing again. They started enjoying their Sunday. So we saw some words here. Okay. Now I'm going to circle them. You will.